May kissing scene ng
Yes,
JF yan!
yes! Nilaban ko yan. Direct Lauren.
At syempre, napaka-trending ng JM Fiang.
I was really hesitant and nervous accepting the project, honestly, because sanay ako na tipong sa akin nag-start. Yung gets mo yun? Parang ganun. Ito kasi is parang meron na silang, big stars na sila eh.
Yes.
And then, yun na nga, may nakikita ka sa internet, akala mo ganito, baka mahirap ka trabaho. To start, medyo parang nangangapa. But eventually, we found our footing. Hindi ka talaga dapat naniniwala sa mga napapanood mo lang na splice clips.
Because in reality,
Fiang is a sweetheart. She's very authentic. What you see is what you get. Hindi lang sanay yung tao sa humor niya. Because yung humor niya is very masa. Kasi she reminds me of Maricel Soriano in the Regal movies. Nagtataray siya pero ang funny. And then si JM, na-surprise ako kasi JM.
Si JM husay talaga.
Oo, meron pala siyang background ng alam niyo yung mga Cinemalaya film? Kaya hindi guess kung bakit nag-working love team nila. Kasi, di ba, this one's very outspoken, very loud, very like out there, and then yung isa naman very conservative, very prim and proper. Na-appreciate ko sila. Actually, parang bitin nga kasi short form series lang yung Ghost. 20-minute episode lang siya. 20 to 30 minutes. So medyo bitin, but maraming maaabangan yung mga fans.
Oo nga.
May kissing scene. Hindi ako pumayag na walang kissing scene. Ayaw dapat.
May kissing scene ng JF
Yes,
Fiang!
yes! Nilaban ko yan. Direct Lauren.